Hey everybody, I'm Samadrita and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to do something different. You know what? Guess what? So you have seen the thumbnail and the title and understand that we are going to do color the stones. So you are thinking that I have bought these stones from market. No, I have bought these stones from the roadside when I go for morning walk. So you can also collect because there are many stones. So you can see I have different shape, you can see, and these are very beautiful and I'm going to color it and make it too much beautiful. So I am going to take now white in color. So first we have to color all the stones in white color. So now I am going to tell you. Because while we are not giving white color and directly giving the colorful colors, then it's now looking not too much beautiful, not too much fill up. It's having little of gaps. So for this, first we have to give the white in color. But after, if we give it carefully, then the white color will also be gone. So white color gives a little bit shine and the finishing touch. So we should have to take the white in color first. So I am coloring the stones in white color. So you can see I am coloring it. So I will color all the stones. So then I will come back. Guys, you can see I have colored the white color in the stones. So now we will keep it some time to dry. So let's keep it some time. Now we will take the yellow color. So I will take the yellow color. So for some stones we have to color in yellow also. So let us take the yellow. So guys, I have taken out the color from it. So now we will color the stones. I think these are dried. So the stones we have to color in yellow is now dried. So we will now color it. So as usual, I need the big one because the small one are taking a lot of time. So now let's color it. So if you don't have white in color, then then you have to give 2 portion of the yellow color because the gaps will not be then full off. But if you give the white in color, then you don't have to give 2 layers of yellow color because yellow color is too much light. So as you can see, I have colored it, but there are little bit of gaps and black in color. But don't worry, when it will be dry, it will be okay. Or I don't know, but for sometimes if it is a big stone, then it needs 2 layers also after giving white in color. So let's see. As you can see, I have given the first coating of all the stones. So as I'm thinking, I have to also give the second coating to them. So you can see this is the first coating. So I will give all the stones second coating, then I will come back to you. So guys, you can see I am coloring the second coating in the stones. So you can see these 3 are almost dried and I am now doing this, so it will be dry, then I will come back. So now let's start painting the stones. So now I am going to paint this stone. So you can see the shape of the stone is like something circle. You can also take circle, but it's not too much circle, but I'm taking this. So now I will take the size of 0. I'm taking the 0 size. So now let's dip it little bit on the water. Now we will take the red in color. So I have taken the red color. So now I will make heart shape. So be careful. So you can see I have made this stone in an emoji. So this emoji is very cute, you can see. So now let's do another. So now I am going to color this one. So I am saying that this is an oval shape, so I recognized as a cartoon. So you can guess what cartoon I am going to draw in this and comment me below. So now let's do it. So I have take the blue color. So now I will take a little bit color from here. So now I will take the black color. So now I am going to give a thin stripe in this side. See, I have done a beautiful stone art, and I am doing this while doing my studies also. So please support me by subscribing my channel, which inspires me and a lot, and you also get very creative things like this stone art, and I am doing so much of crafts. So please support me guys, it's helping me to do better videos for you. So please subscribe my channel, which inspired me a lot. So the cartoon is almost done, and you can see this is almost done, and now I'm painting the dress. So this is almost ready. So now I will keep it to dry for some time. Guys, you can see this stone now I'm going to paint. So I'm going to paint in this side. So in this also I'm going to do an emoji. I will take the black color first. So now let's take the black color. Now here I'm going to make a circle. So I've make a circle here, and now I'm going to do something like this. So you can see I have done something like this. So here like this I will give. So I have given something like this. Now I will keep it to dry. So So you can see I have kept it for dry. So now let's come to this cartoon again. So here I am going to give a circle, and you should be careful that it's a small circle like this. So you can see like this we have to give a small circle. So I have taken the white color, and now let's take a little bit of white color, and now like this I will make a little pocket. So it will be like something blue, but don't worry. So I have taken the black color, and now let's put it. Then say I have given this eyebrows. So now we have come back to this. It is dried. So now in these eyes we will give this white color and give it carefully, and you should be seeing that the yellow color should not be seen. So I have given this. So now I am washing the white. So I have taken the red color, and now I will make a tongue here. So you can see I have given a tongue here. So guys, here I am going to type a letter. So that's why I am doing it with pen. Then in it I will give the color. Written the letter. Here I am thinking to give a welcome. So now I will take the black color in this. So I have written the letters here. So it's something not like saying empty. So I am thinking to fill with here some patterns. So now I will do some patterns. So you can see this letter is done, this welcome. So I think to give in my garden a unique stone. So I have done this. So guys, you can see my letter stone is done. So I am thinking to give in my garden a unique stone. So I have made this. It's written welcome and these two hearts here. So this is done and all the stones are done. So guys, I have done the stone making. So you can see the stones are done and it's very beautiful. And in your garden, I'm 100% sure it will be very beautiful. And you can also decorate your home with this. So you can see there are two emojis and this cartoon. I hope you have recognized it when I am drawing it. And you have already commented me. And this is the letter of welcome. So hope you like this. And if you like this, give this video a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications. And share it with your friends. And if you have any recommended videos to do by me, then you comment me. And do you want part 2? Comment below.